The next topic it is artificial satellites. What is meant by artificial satellite? A man-made spacecraft placed in orbit around the Earth is called an artificial satellite. It is located on the ionosphere of the Earth. So Earth has different layers for atmosphere, troposphere, stratosphere, lithosphere, ionosphere. So it is located on the ionosphere of the Earth. The motion of artificial satellite around the Earth is maintained by the gravitational pull of the Earth. I told by this satellite, even the natural satellite and artificial satellite, it can revolve around the Earth because of the gravitational pull. There are 1,072 artificial satellites in the world, in which 50% are Americans. Difference between artificial satellite and a moon. Some of the major difference between artificial satellite and moon is as follows. The artificial satellites are much nearer to the Earth than the moon. So one specialty, they are very close to the Earth, nearer to the Earth than moon. The height of the artificial satellites from the Earth can be adjusted according to our needs. This is, however, impossible in moon. Okay, so first point is they are very nearer to the, compared to natural satellite or moon, they are very nearer to the Earth. And also the height of the artificial satellites from the Earth, it can be adjusted according to our needs. Okay, this is not possible in moon, or it is impossible in moon. You can see here the artificial satellites, how they are revolving around the Earth. You also can see the natural satellite moon. So these satellites, they are very nearer to the Earth, very close to the Earth compared to moon. Artificial satellites carry a large variety of equipment and instrument inside them. The electricity required for running the equipment in an artificial satellite is provided by solar cells. How they are getting the electricity to running all this equipment? It is getting from by the solar cells. The technique of collecting information about an object from a distance without making any physical contact of an object is called remote sensing. What it is called? Remote sensing. It is collecting information about an object from a distance without making any physical contact of an object. It is called remote sensing. You can see here artificial satellite. What are the applications of artificial satellite? Some of the major applications of artificial satellites are used for communication, such as long distance transmission of television, radio, internet, etc. Second application is artificial satellites are used for weather forecasting, giving advance warning of floods, cyclones, etc. Artificial satellites are used for surveying the natural resources of the Earth. So these are the main uses or applications of artificial satellites. Again, two more points. Artificial satellites are used for spying for military purposes like observing the movement of enemy troops, military equipment, taking pictures of enemy fields, etc. The last application is artificial satellites are used to collect information about other planets, stars, and galaxies. So these are the uses or applications of artificial satellites. So one, it is mainly for communication purpose, for a transmission of television, radio, internet. Second, we use for weather forecasting, giving advance warning of flood, cyclones, etc. Third, they are used for surveying the natural resources of the earth. The next, they are used for spying for military purposes, like observing the movement of enemy troops, military equipment, taking pictures of enemy fields. The last, artificial satellites are used to collect information about other planets, stars, and galaxies. Clear? So you can see here the picture of artificial satellite. Then Aryabhatta. India has built and launched many artificial satellites. The first artificial satellite launched by India was Aryabhatta. Some other Indian satellites are Bhaskara, INSAT, IRS, Rohini, Kalpana 1, EduSat. Okay, so the first artificial satellite launched by India, it was Aryabhatta. Then they give other examples: Bhaskara, INSAT, IRS, Rohini, Kalpana 1, EduSat, etc. The agency responsible for the development of space science programs in our country is ISRO. What is the full form? Indian Space Research Organization. So the agency responsible for the development of space science programs in our country is ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. This artificial satellite. Okay. So these are the points we studied today. We started from the solar system, Earth. Before we studied about 2 planets, then Earth we studied, then Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and some other members of the solar system, asteroids, comets, meteors, meteorites, etc. And also about artificial satellites. Okay. So thank you, children.